there, welcome to the furthest corner of the sewing room, which is basically the other side of the kitchen. Let me introduce you to the newest member of my sewing family, my new Brother Overlocker machine. Shouldn't touch anything because it took me long enough to get it all set up. I killed the last one, which was a Singer Overlocker serger, and I got one of those oldie ones. And I basically mistreated it, and I did things with it that I shouldn't have done with, so it pushed back and died. So I got this guy, and I've only really been able to get my head into addressing how to use it. I mean, inside, the threading part of it is ostensibly really not that much more different from the Singer that I was using. But it just seems like the thread stays in place a lot more. It's more secure, so the thread doesn't keep popping out and flying around all over the place. But it did take me a while, I have to say, to get all my ducks in a row. Well, most of yesterday afternoon. It got a bit sweaty and sweary in here, but I hold out great hopes for it because it does infinitely more than the basic Singer, obviously, because you're getting a few bit more features on it for your money. So this was, I think, 188 on Amazon, and it does rolled blind hems, and it does all sorts of great stuff. But basically yesterday I just got it to the point where it would create a chain. That's where I got, and I was able to serge the edges of a couple of seams that I had finished. So I like it. It's smaller as well, but I think overlockers in their nature are meant to be complicated, aren't they? They're not for the faint-hearted, but as anybody will tell you, they will give you the most professional finish, very satisfying. And once I become more proficient with it, I'll be able to do all kinds of fabulous things. So I'm looking forward to a long and hearty life with this guy. I hope I don't kill it like I did with the last one. I don't think you're meant to serge sequined fabric through it. Never mind. Anyway, thanks for coming by. Like and subscribe. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.